So this is going to be the side damper control on the left-hand side and what it looks like when the grate is rotating. On the right-hand side of the stove, the lever that dumps the grate, it is simply lifted up and pulled, and it does a full rotate dump of the grate mechanism, which literally dumps you down into the ash pan. So that is a super nice little easy clean out here. And you can see that these are refractories here in the back. So this is going to be the panoramic view, nice glass. You can see this really is a big firebox, especially with the depth here. And again, this model is rated to burn coal. You can see that this is going to be the baking oven located directly at the top. The baking oven, you can access the sides of it for cleaning from inside the firebox here as well. And then it does have a, let me see, what is this? That's refractory up on the top there on the sides of the baking oven. And then the baking oven is going to be enamel lined. The bottom piece lifts out, so that's really nice for cleaning, right? You get any drips, then you just pull that enamel pan out. And it's nice and long, so it's got a good depth there. This is going to be the top of the stove that I was talking about. It's fully gasketed, airtight, and removable. This flue collar is going to come with the stove. This takes you from the metric into the 6-inch round for North America. Up close, you can see these the convection air outlets. Here is going to be your auto damper control. So this is automatic damper control. There's only a few cook stoves on the market like that. This is going to be the TKS-19